what did you think of that speech and what did you think of him?
Well,
Briefly, if you may,
two
please.
things, no? On the same day, he became national president of
Yeah.
PDP,
Mm-hmm.
and in the afternoon, he launched the coalition.
Uh-huh.
So, in terms of politics, this is a very good move because
Yeah.
there is now a political group behind VP Sara. And
Mm.
that is headed by the brother. You know
Mm.
very well that si VP has an issue with PDP.
Mm.
But
Yes.
it seems to be, being ironed out, and
Mm.
Pastek there is
There's a
like
bridge.
Duterte 2.0. His
Yeah.
actuations, his
Mm.
speech,
Humor.
his comic relief.
Yeah.
Somebody told me they were closing their eyes and just listening, and all they see is PRRD, a younger version of PRRD. It also makes quite a surprise control of narrative, in the sense that now you have two
Yeah. Yeah.
brands, the
Yeah.
brand of Baste and the brand of Sara.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, ako ang sense ko, the brand of Baste will all the more consolidate and
Mm.
strengthen the brand of VP. Kasi you can only do so much as VP. Hindi ka naman
Mm.
pwedeng magbardagulan because she's looking after the institution and the projects.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there is this alternative, and you will see the power of the brand Duterte when there'll be crossovers being made by individuals and political parties. So we're controlling the narrative. We're ahead of the administration. We may not have the money nor the COMELEC, but I think we are at the proper time where we have two parallels now, the Tapang and Malasakit movement and the Rage Coalition. So it's good news for us.